DA got that dope.
Hey you guys, it's your girl NiQNiQ, and I did a hair tutorial today on Passion Twist. This is my results. I am loving these. I think these will be great for vacationing. Yes. I mean, these are super cute. This was my first time doing my hair like this, and I really don't venture off when I do my hair, but I said 2019 you will be doing new things, and this is one of my new things, so I will be coming with some more hair tutorials. Oops. I'm about to drop my stuff, y'all. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I use to get this look. I'm gonna show y'all what I use to get this look, and then if you keep on watching, you'll see how I did this look. So let me show you guys what I used. I used a mirror. I actually used 2 mirrors, 3 mirrors sometimes. Excuse me, my phone is going off. I used a rat tails comb. I used 2 of these as well. I put my regular brush back, but I have this brush that I was brushing my hair with, and my regular brush. I use these clips here. I also, what is this doing up here? Because I did not do no baby hairs. I didn't do no baby hairs, y'all, and I'm not really like the baby baby hair type of girl. I mean, I do it, but I used to do that back in the day, you know, because I'm an 80s baby, you know. But y'all, I really like these. So I use this crochet tool because I did do the rubber band method. So if you watch the video, you'll see how I did it. And I actually didn't put this on, so I guess I'll put this on right now at the end, towards the end. But this is mousse. This is like a foaming wrap lotion. So I use this. This is called Organics Originals by Africa's Best Olive Oil Silkening Foam Wrap Lotion. Lotion mousse, alcohol free. So yeah, we're gonna use that. And then dropping things again. I used throughout the whole process this here. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil play and stay 48-hour control. This is edge control. This is Eco Styles product. It's no buildup, no flaking, high shine, and alcohol free. Whoop, 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 whoop. And I also use some rubber bands, and I also use plenty of this, and I use some Eco Style gel. This kind is the black castor and flaxseed oil, just like the edge control. Now for the hair, let me grab it. Hold on, let me do a little spin. The hair I used the Free Tress. Girl, there you go. I used the Free Tress Water Wave 22-inch hair, and my hair was $6.49 at my local beauty shop, which is Boho's. I love Boho's. Yeah, there were $6.49, and I used 3 packages. I bought 5 and I only used 3. I did use only single hairs because I was going for a smaller look, not too thick. I thought the small would look like natural, so it's like, it's kind of like growing out my head, if you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna get right on into the video, but if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe and like, share, watch, comment, all that. Stay tuned, because I'm about to get right on into the video. Alright? So I parted it in threes. Y'all, I need to work on these arms. They big, but they fat. They just like big. They're just like real big. I don't need my arms looking like legs. Like, girl, I have to do something about size, auntie. All right, guys, so I finished up putting all my braids, all my ponytails in my hair, and I just got them twisted up. And then I'm gonna work on the hair that is needed for this style, because there's a process for that, and I'll show you what it is. But if you're still watching, thanks for watching. So this is the hair right now. I'm about to loosen the hair up. That's what I'm doing here on this one. I'm loosening the hair up so it can be more fluffed out. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll pick y'all right back up. All right, so I got my last row here to finish up and complete.
DA got that dope.
Really? Foam wrap. And let's see what difference it'll give us. Oh, it's kind of, I'm gonna just do in sections. I'm gonna do it in sections. Oh, it smells really good though. It smells real good. Let me know if you ever done any passion twist. Now my dog about to come mess my video up, and I'm about to yell at her, and she gonna get real mad though. Justice out. Just like that. And she didn't get out.